at the shortcut to find the centroid of a triangle. The centroid of a triangle, maybe I should draw a quick diagram here on the side. Say we have our triangle here. The centroid of a triangle is where all the medians of the triangle would meet. A median would go from the midpoint of one side to the opposite vertex. Hopefully this is going to work out. The opposite vertex to the midpoint of the other side, and again the vertex to the midpoint. And this is called the centroid, at that point right there. I might not have drawn it perfectly, but that's called the centroid. And historically what you do to find this, and I've already done a whole bunch of the work, is we plot our points. So here's the points of the triangle we're talking about. I found the opposite midpoints, and then I got lines that run through them, and they all cross here at our center, which is our centroid. And this is a long process, a lot of math. You can watch one of our other videos on how to find a centroid of a triangle. This one's a shortcut, and the idea is finding the center of a mass. It kind of comes from physics. Here's our 3 points. We've already drew them out. We had an A, B, and C, and here are the coordinates. And the fast way to do it is to find the C coordinate of our centroid. Is you add all the x values together for the centroid. Sorry, the x value of the centroid, and you divide by the number of values there are. In other words, you find the average of all the x's. And for the y value of the centroid, same idea. You add all the y's together and divide by the number of y's there are, which is the average. So try working this out. The x value of our centroid, okay, is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 0 divided by our 3. That's going to be 7 over 3. Okay? And as a decimal, let's get it. 7 divided by 3 is equal to 2.3 repeated. Okay, 2.3 repeated. And the y value of our centroid, well, we add all our y's together, which is 8. Plus negative 4 is the same as subtract 4. Plus 0, all divided by, again, there's 3. And that will be equal to 4 over 3, which is equal to 1.3 repeated. And if you quickly go over and take a look, 2.3 repeated and 1.3 repeated is the middle of our centroid. So it's really that easy. We just find the averages of the x and the y's, and that finds it. It's the only trick I know for the centroid.